What is good, loves? So y'all might ask, why am I excited? Well, let me tell y'all. Or maybe I should make you guys wait. You know what? First and foremost, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn your bell button on to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a huge like on the video, you know, drop a like, especially if you like the video and the look. Drop a like and comment down below whatever else you guys might want to see in the future. Also, let me give y'all just a few details on the look before I hop right into the video. So I did, you know, a little bit of glitter, and I smoked out the outer corner, the outer sides, so it's not really a smoky eye or a cut crease, but it's like in between. You know, it's a really simple, easy, amazing look you guys can do for the holidays. Super fast, also super fast look, easy, super glam. It is a bomb, okay? And it will only take you maybe like 30 minutes at most, or even less. You can make this like even more dramatic and take your time with it by adding, you know, some liner and some bottom liner and whatnot. But since this is an easy, simple, fast look, this is what it looks like right here. I paired it up with a glossy lip. You can also do matte, you know, put your little taste to it. But this is what I created right here. And of course, using these bomb eyelashes. I won't tell you where they're from yet. Most of you guys might know, you know, if you follow me on social media, on Instagram mainly, you know where these eyelashes are from. Yeah. If you didn't guess, well, go follow me on my Instagram. The link will be in the description box down below, as well as my other social media platforms. Now, with all that being said, and without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into the tutorial, shall we? So first, I'm gonna start with my primer, which is Bare Minerals. I use the Bare Minerals Combo Control primer. So I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shade Tape and prime my eyelids. Just like that, and then of course make them all cover up that whole eyelid. Make sure it's covered up real good, because we want the colors to pop up real good. Okay. Now you don't have to, it doesn't have to look smooth, because we're gonna go in with another brush to smooth that out. Now I'm gonna go in with this round brush right here. Just blend everything out. Just kind of like tap and sweep type thing, so everything can get real. I'm gonna go in with this brush right here. Palette. Grab a little more on that brush. grab a different brush because this one doesn't seem to be blending right. I'm gonna grab this Morphe brush right here. Gonna blend all of this out as much as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same with the other eye. And I'm only gonna add that to the outer corner. And not too much. I don't want to add too much to that. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and add the glitter. So this is, I'm gonna grab, I think, this brush. So I'm gonna grab this brush right here to apply it. It comes with an applicator, but I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna use this brush to just take it off the brush, if that makes sense. I'm gonna smoke out, blend it, just blend it all together, let it dry just a little bit, and then I'm gonna grab a little bit of that darker brown, just a tiny bit, and blend it. You can also do a cut crease with this. It would look amazing with these glitters. I'm gonna do it off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, now that both eyes are done, you know, we have some fallout, so you have to be really careful when you do play with these glitters. Into my Mermaid Like palette by Saucebox, and I'm gonna grab Warm Sand, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna go on my brown bone with that. Okay, and I'm gonna make sure that all this is blended, so I'm gonna go back in with this brush, kind of just blend the eyeshadow with the. Okay, so while that dries, we're going to go ahead and move on to foundation. I'm going to be using the Morphe foundation. This one's in the shade F2.50. So many numbers. I'm going to go ahead, just apply a little bit. Don't want to do too much. Okay, I'm actually, because yo girl need to cover up these eye bags. Because life is too much sometimes. So I just applied a little bit on the forehead, a little bit on the bridge of the nose, on the cupid's bow. That probably would have been my cupid's bow, not my forehead, but it's okay. Start wherever you want. That's just, I don't know, I start anywhere. Alright. I missed y'all, like, I really did. I've been gone, I feel like, for so long. Alright, I'm gonna set my under eyes with the Fit Me powder. And I'm gonna, oh, I need to take some out. And I'm going to apply it with my beauty blender, which are clean now. You know, they're clean. Unlike my other videos, they were so dirty. I washed them before this video because I wanted to make sure I didn't make a comeback with some dirty ass beauty blenders. And I'm gonna set my under eyes around my mouth, my chin, everywhere where I'm not gonna really apply like bronzer or contour. Those are the places I'm. Alright, so this is what the eyelashes look like. Are they okay? So hold up. Let's be honest here. Are they or are they not bomb? Like, just look at them. Besides, you know, the fact that I make them look bomb. But other than that, they're bomb, okay? Ooh wee. Girl, if you don't get yourself some of these lashes, with these lashes, you're gonna get dick, okay? You're gonna get dick and more. You're gonna get extra dick. You know what I mean? Anyways, let me stop. So now we're gonna move on with our 2 bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face. This brush, I'm using this brush right here. And you know what? For the holidays, you want to bronze and contour, okay, girl? So, I'm gonna bronze just a little bit, you know, obviously less than usual because I'm gonna contour on top of this. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and contour with the Sephora contour palette, obviously. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab the most used shade in this palette, which is this one. How did you know? And I'm gonna contour, you know. I need to tame these baby hairs more. Alright, now blush. Now for holidays, I like to add a little bit more blush than usual. I don't know why. I like to go very out with my makeup, okay? For holidays. Like I don't know why, but I do. I use the Morphe 9B palette. They're all blush tones. And I used this one right here. So on the lower lash line, we're going to go ahead and apply that brown that we used on the outer corner, which is this one. And we're going to apply that on the lower lash line. I'll apply it with the same brush that I blended the, you know, all this eyeshadow with. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and smoke out my lower lash line. Okay, because we need that shit to pop for the holidays. Now I went in on my lips with the Morphe lip crayon in the shade MCM because this is just my favorite. Okay, I cannot live without. Ever since I found it, I cannot live without. Okay, no. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Huda Beauty lip gloss in the shade Shameless, right over the lip, the little, you know, the little Morphe color we just did. Gonna go over that with this color. I don't want to apply too much. Ooh, this looks so pretty. I am definitely going to use this for the holidays, okay? Does this not look bomb? Like, I think it's the eyelashes that makes it look bomb. Maybe it's just the model. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist to set the face, and then I am going to go in with the Jeffree Star highlighter in the shade Snow Glow. So let me go ahead and spray my face first. Alright, now before that dries, or let it dry just a tiny bit. Ooh, I inhaled the setting spray. Alright, now that it's a little bit dry, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my highlighter. Oh, it's not applying. Hold on. You might need to, don't let it sit for too long, or else